Dom here from Essential RC. I'm down the flying field. We've actually got some good weather for a change. And I'm out with the 300C Pro. I did an unboxing video for this recently. Looks really good. It comes in this nice box from Sterling Kit. You get everything that you need. So you get the radio transmitter, a Radio Link 89S Pro. You need to put 8 AA batteries in there, or a lithium ion or a LiPo. You get the charger, an IMAX B6AC dual power charger, and you get the flight battery, which is in here already, and the helicopter itself. So this has the Flywing H1 heli flight controller already set up, nothing to do. You've got GPS at the back. This is a GPS smart helicopter, so it knows where it is. And what I've done is put a Saving Private Ryan Captain Miller figure in here. This is a 12th scale figure, and it just about fits in. You certainly wouldn't want to put anything larger inside, but I think it looks rather good in there. Not too heavy, so it shouldn't affect the CG. But let's get ready for flight and see how it goes. Okay, so there you go. Those are my first flights of the 300C Pro Schweizer helicopter. GPS just makes it so easy to fly, I have to say. Return to home. I did have a return to home because of low voltage. That's fantastic. And automatic figure eights and circuits as well, or you can fly it manually. It's totally up to you, but it's a great looking helicopter, particularly with that Tom Hanks figure, 12th scale figure in the cockpit as well. Now what I'm going to try and do for the next video, if it's achievable, is to squeeze head tracked FPV into the cockpit so I can wear my goggles and fly it from inside the cockpit and see how that looks. So look out for that soon. If you're not a subscriber, please click on the button to subscribe. I'm trying to do really interesting, entertaining video. And if you'd like to contribute to the running of the channel in some small way, then maybe become a member. And by virtue of doing that, you will see all video that I upload as soon as I upload it. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.